Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show in Microsoft Word home content. So Microsoft Word, search and WordPress Shuttle, click, then open the document or the Word. And choose the option if you want to use a primary template for a specific type of document. Select from the given option. You can need, then choose a specific type of document, or if you want to customize the layout, design and formatting, select a blank document. And also in home screen they are for main sections of the toolbar: clipboard, font, paragraph and style. Let us go today. Let us go to see in clipboard. Okay, in clipboard there are 4 tools in clipboard section of the toolbar: cut, copy, paste and formatting printer. Clipboard. The Microsoft Word clipboard is a tool that allows you to virtually copy or cut text, image or other content and paste them elsewhere in the document. So hello world, for example, and select the file, then cut. This action becomes available when content is selected or highlighted. Choose this option to remove the content. Okay, the other option is copy. Hello world, and select this file. Copy. This action becomes available when content is selected or highlighted. Choose this option to duplicate the content. After you click copy, the content does not appear in the document. Microsoft Word holds the copy virtual until you indicate where you would like to place and copy content on the document. And the other option is paste. The paste action becomes available when you have cut or copied content from your document or another application. Choose the default paste option to maintain the original formatting of the content. If you want to paste content with formatting that is different than the source, choose the drop-down menu, select Paste Special, and choose the option that suits your needs. And the other formatting printer. This action allows you to copy formatting from one part of your document and replicate it elsewhere in the document. To use, select the text with the formatting you would like to copy, select the format printer icon, and then highlight the text that you would like to format. And format printer. Then this is the format printer. Okay, next video I will show in font, paragraph and styles in home content.